Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse. Today we're going to do a Zinnia seed germination test. So I went and I looked at the most dried Zinnia flower heads that I had, and I picked them, and I actually picked a couple. These ones had like a dark brown or black colored seed in them. Some were still white. The white ones are not ready. Even though they were really dry, they were not mature enough. So I'm going to do a test with these guys and I'll give you a look. So I'm just in my kitchen. I took like a little sandwich container. I put a half a piece of paper towel in, and I put some water in so it's all nicely moistened. I have the other half of the paper towel I'll put on after. I'm going to actually count out 10 of the darker or black colored seeds and throw them in there, and then out of the 10 we'll see how many germinate. Okay, so we have our 10 Zinnia seeds that we pulled off a plant, and we're going to place the paper towel over top and see how they germinate. So I'm just going to put that second piece of paper towel over it. This is just so that the seeds stay properly moistened. I'll put a little bit more water in that, and I'm just going to leave it here on the counter, and then I'll know if this batch of seed that I've saved is any good. I will circle back in a couple of days and let you know what the results are.